Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Today's thought is thinking should become your capital asset, no matter whatever ups and downs come across your life. This wonderful thought is given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now let us continue with our fourth lesson, angles and pairs of angles. So children, get ready with your textbook and notebook. In the previous videos, we have learnt about complementary angles and we have seen solved examples based on it. Today, we are going to start with practice set 16. Let us see first question. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. Here the measures of angles are given. We have to find measure of its complement. So and first example is 40 degrees. First we will write the given part. Whenever we start any example, we start writing with the given part. Given angle is 40 degrees. Now we will consider, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. X is the complementary angle of 40 degrees in this example. For that we know the property. The sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. Now as sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, that is 40 degrees plus x is equal to 90. So we get the equation 40 plus x equal to 90. In this equation you have to find the value of x. For that we have to shift this 40 on the other side. So how we will do that? We will subtract 40 from both the sides. Here 40 will get cancelled with 40, only x is left in the left hand side, and in right hand side on subtracting 40 from 90 you will get 50. That is the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degrees. Therefore complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degrees. You will see 40 plus 50 is 90. Now example number 2, 63 degrees. Again we will repeat the same procedure. First we will write the given part, that is given angle is 63 degrees. Now we will consider, let the measure of complementary angle be x. Children, you can take any alphabet here instead of x. Here now we will write the property. The sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degree. Therefore we will get the equation 63 plus x is equal to 90. Now again we have to shift this 63 on the other side. For that we will subtract 63 from both sides of the equation. Now here 63 will get cancelled with 63. Therefore in left hand side you will get only x. Whereas in right hand side 90 minus 63 is 27. Therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 63 degrees is 27 degrees. Now children, example number 3, 45 degree. Here again we will repeat the same procedure, that is first we will write the given part. Given angle is equal to 45 degrees. Then we will consider, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. And then we will write the property. The sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. Here we will get the equation 45 plus x is equal to 90. Now in order to solve, we will shift this 45 on the other side. As it is in addition, on the other side of equation it will come in subtraction. So x is equal to 90 minus 45. 90 minus 45 is 45. Therefore x is equal to 45 degrees. We will write the answer. The measure of the complement of an angle of measure 45 degrees is 45 degrees. Now example number 4. 55 degrees. Solution, given angle is 55 degrees. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x degrees. Then we will write the property. The sum of the measures of complementary angles be 90 degrees. Here we will get the equation 55 plus x is equal to 90. Now given angle plus measure of its complementary is equal to 90 degrees. Now here we will shift this 55 on the other side. As it is in addition here, on the other side it will come in subtraction. Now subtract 55 from 90, you will get 35. Therefore, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 55 degrees is 35 degrees. Now example number 5, 20 degrees. Again, solution, given angle is 20 degrees. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x degrees. Therefore, sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. So you will get the equation 20 plus x is equal to 90. Again, we will shift 20 on the other side, that is in right hand side of the equation. Here 90 minus 20 you will get 70. So you will write here x is equal to 70 degrees. That is, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 20 degree is 70 degrees. Now example number 6. Again we will repeat the same procedure. Given angle is 90 degrees. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x degrees. Therefore, we will now write the property, the sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. So we will get the equation 90 plus x is equal to 90. Have you got the children here? Now 90 will come in right hand side. So you will get x is equal to 90 minus 90. Any number subtracted from itself is 0. So we will get the answer, measure of the complement of an angle of measure 90 degree is 0 degrees. So children, when you add 0 to the given 90, you will get 90. Hence complement of given angle is 0 degrees. Now example number 7. Children, here the angle is given in the form of alphabet or in the form of letter. Now we have to find the complement of x degrees. So again we will repeat the same procedure as we are doing in all the examples. That is, first we will write the given example. As the given angle is only x degree, we will consider its complement as some other letter. So I am taking it as y. Let the measure of complementary angle be y. As x is already given, so we have to take any other alphabet. So I took here y. Now we know the property, sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. Now we will get the equation x plus y equal to 90. Now here you have to find the value of y. You don't have to find the value of x because x is the given angle. You have to find the complement of x degrees. So here you will shift x on the other side. Y will remain in left hand side because we are considering y as the complementary angle of x. So y will remain in left hand side and x will come on the other side. So you will get y is equal to 90 minus x. So 90 minus x degrees is the measure of complement of x degrees. So we will write the answer. The measure of the complement of an angle of measure x degrees is 90 minus x degrees. So whenever you are finding the complement, you are subtracting the given angle from 90. Here we have completed question number 1. Now question number 2. Y minus 20 degrees and y plus 30 degrees are the measures of the complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Now here the measures of the angles are given in the form of expressions. So we will repeat the same procedure. Let the measures of complementary angles given are y minus 20 degrees and y plus 30 degrees. Now as we know the property, sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. So we will add these two angles, that is y minus 20 degrees plus y plus 30 degrees equal to 90. Now here you are adding two expressions. So here we will bring like terms together, that is y plus y is 2y minus 20 plus 30 equal to 90. Now here minus 20 plus 30 will become plus 10. This 2y will remain as it is. So you will get here in this step 2y plus 10 equal to 90. As you are going to find the value of variable, that is y, we will shift whatever numbers are here in left hand side on the other side. First we will shift 10 in right hand side. As 10 is in addition, we will subtract it from right hand side, that is 90 minus 10. 2y equal to 90 minus 10. 90 minus 10 is 80. Now here 2 is in multiplication. On the other side it will come in division. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. So here you got the value of y as 40. Now we will put the value of y in these given expressions. The first one is y minus 20. So we will write one angle is y that is 40. 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 degrees. The other angle is y plus 30. So in place of y, we will write 40. Therefore, we write here 40 plus 30 is equal to 70 degrees. So one angle is of 20 degrees, the other angle is of 70 degrees. If you add the measure of both the angles, you will find it is 20 plus 70 is 90 degrees. It means both the angles are complement of each other. Here we have completed practice set 16. Children, you all have to complete your copies till here. Thank you.